Good morning, this is Devin with Backyard Projects, and today I am sick, so please forgive me. But I am getting a tree taken out of my backyard because it died on me. I think it got this thing called like a rolling leaf something. I don't know what the name of it is, but you can actually see the leaves. The leaves are curling up on me and I don't know why, but alright, let me show you the tree. It's kind of sad. It's going to be right in the middle of my garden. That's kind of a focal point, but makes it to where I could put other things. And I think I already know what I'm going to put. But anyway, alright. Cough meds, they're getting to me. Look at my little chicken. That is the tree. So it goes all the way to that side, this side, and you can actually see the leaves that are curling up on me. And it's gonna suck for all of my hanging baskets, but it's super sad. It's gotta have to happen. But anyway, alright. I'm gonna try to see if I can get some footage of it being cut down. We will see. Not everyone's cool with being on YouTube. Alright guys, and just like that, it is literally gone. It took them like 30 to 45 minutes. Seriously. Crazy. But yeah, so this is what it looks like now. So what I'm planning on doing is putting evergreens right here to kind of give me a wall, because whenever I go to put in my fountain, it'll be a nice backdrop. But they're still cleaning up, and but anyway, I just want to show you guys things are changing and it's gonna look awesome. When things go away, just makes room for new things. And I think once I put my fountain there, it's a big fountain, then whenever I put that backdrop, it'll look amazing. But alright, I'm gonna go take some more sleep meds because I feel like booty. So hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye.